I'm gonna go broke, boys. So we made it about halfway to JapDays, and then we just got some great gas mileage.
You need to clean the car. Alltså brother, it's a massacre.
Alltså brother. So many bugs have to wash the car when we get there. But I just got 36.13 liters from Umeå to here. So I guess when I sit in the car I'll calculate the gas mileage for that, but that's freaking amazing by my standards. Trip's kind of boring though, we're just listening to music trying to get there. So we started the trip at like 3 in the morning, and right now it's like 7 or something, and we need to get there at least before 2 p.m. so that shouldn't be an issue. This thing's actually very pleasant to drive even for this long. We got so much stuff in the car though. And highway doing speeds at 120 to 130 kilometers an hour. I average 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers, or 29 miles to the gallon. So for me at least, sounds really nice. So we have been driving for like an hour or so, and we found ourselves in the middle of a JDM pack over here. So we got some Honda behind us and Nbhd right in front of us, 350C I think. I think these people are going to the meet as well, so we might as well cruise with them. So I don't really know how we found ourselves in this caravan of Japanese cars, but somehow we did. And I haven't even asked, but I guess they're going to the same meet as we are. So I guess we'll follow them there. Really nice to see an Evo out there though. I don't see a lot of these from where I'm from. So we had a fucking shit ton of rain, but we're almost there. Me and Bacon are going to hit up some stores before we actually go to JapDays, but I think we're about 20 minutes or so away, so not far at all actually. But it's raining insane amounts. Like right now it's very light rain compared to before. We left the caravan with other Japanese cars because they were so slow, and I wanted to get here in time to maybe wash my car and buy some groceries and etc. But now I'm thinking I might not actually wash the car because it's raining like hell here. I mean, this is nothing compared to the rain we had before.
Oh shit.
So we went to Burger King for some food because it was really close to the store. And now we're finally going to eat. I haven't eaten since 3 AM this morning, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. An R34. How the fuck do I get in the event? I never been here before.
Oh, nice.
Go R34 there. We're at Mantorp Park right now, and we're trying to get in. Where in the helvete are you supposed to... Oh, sorry. So we're about a minute or two away from being at JapDays. Let's see some VTech boys. VTech just kicked in, yo. We made it inside. We got our tent set up and all of the stuff in it. I don't know if I said this, but I only slept for 1 hour the night before this. So we're kind of tired just chilling out in the car. So we're going to check out the campsite and people's cars. Nice DC2 Integra Evo 3. I haven't seen so many Japanese cars in one place ever. And we've only like, well, I don't know how big this is, but we've only started looking and people haven't all showed up yet even, so. A nice Evo, old Hi-Ace. Check out the S2K, boys. Check it out, boys. Another early Evo. We're going through a quick check of what is going on at the car show. I think tomorrow we're going to do a better walkthrough. I've actually bought like a wireless microphone. Oh, there I see an S2K as well. But I bought a wireless microphone so I can do this the real way and you can actually hear what I'm saying. So we're going to do a more in-depth walkthrough tomorrow, but now I guess you'll see some of the stuff that's here. I really like the fade of the valve cover on this one, looks really nice. This steals the show for me though. I really want one of these, but I think I'll never actually buy one of these. They're just too damn expensive, but so freaking cool.
God speech.
I never see sits with like 4 AGEs and stuff back at home, so this is so cool to watch. Nice. We found another S2K, boys. So I really like the red and black interior of the S2K. I really love one of those. I don't know if it's worth putting it in afterwards, but damn, it looks so good. Killer. By far the best interior in the S2K. So my friend here is 195, maybe 2 meters tall. So bacon for scale. Dude, they're so tiny. There's another S2K as well. There's a bunch of them here. I never thought I would see a cappuccino here. Never seen one in real life before. So there's just so many cars there. I don't know what I really wanted to do with today's video, but I guess I'll pick the camera up if anything really cool pops up. But there's just a lot to take in. So much easier when you're back home and there's like 1 or 2 cars out that are actually really nice, and you can cover those, because here there's just too many. So that's apparently one of my subscribers' Evo 3s. So now I've seen 3 of them in one single day, and I haven't seen a single one before in like 4 or 5 years. But really clean, super cool with the old rally livery. A very nice car mate. You're a fucking murder snail.
What the fuck?
Bro, one of these almost snuck into our tent. It's like being in fucking Australia with all of the fucking animals and critters around, compared to when you're back home in the north. There's just so much shit. And don't get me started on all the ticks. So now I guess my S2K is in the show. And a bunch of people actually came up to me and started asking questions and congratulating me on getting the S2K. So that was a bunch of fun. The 8-pot calipers are really nice, but other than that I don't really think there is anything worth looking at, to be honest. So we're chilling out, just had a look at the show, placed my S2K there, and there's still a lot of time of the day left, so I thought I might as well bring my gimbal out and do some sort of small edit. So I was going around filming the course, and apparently I forgot about this. It's time for the track cruising. So all of us cars here in the show, and also those of you who are driving on the track, are going to go out and cruise on the track. So let's go, boys.
That day is jerking, my love in churches with Pirelli's
So we're cruising around the track, almost a full lap by now. This has taken some time. Heck of course. Cruising down the track in my S2K, looking at me all as cold and gay. It's just a prank, boys. Chill out. And now after the track we're going all out OG with a drive-through theater, watching some Initial D live action. It's kind of cool even, they made it so that you turn into this radio channel and you get the sound from the movie in your car. It's nice. I can't show this though. So now we're finished at the drive-through theater, back at the campsite. It's freaking dark out and I think we're done for the day, and I'm done with this vlog. I think tomorrow's vlog of this event is going to be much more concise. I actually know like what I'm going to film, so look forward to that. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up on it. If you want to check out the Instagram or Patreon, links are down below, and I'll see you boys tomorrow in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the